And.
No ma. K at cat. B at bat. All those words.
B at bat. K at cat.
Mm.
At cat.
Mm.
K at hat.
Mm.
At mat. B
Mm.
at bat.
Mm.
At rat.
Very good.
At cat.
Super. Good. Only at words only. Okay. Next Keshav. Thank you, Mitra. Keshav.
K and B A B A and bear.
Good. Next one.
And man.
Mitra, mute yourself, Kana. Good. K at cat. Next.
And
Mm. Yes. Good.
eat and hair.
Mm.
Eat and pen.
Yes. Good. Next.
Pen.
Mm.
Eat and pen. Eat and eat and eat and milk.
Good. Mat.
Eat and pet.
Pat.
Yeah, yeah, and yeah. Abas.
Mm. Mm. Finished. At.
মামা বলো
And
Sat. Very good. Thank you so much, Keshav. Next it is Taruneshwar. Taruneshwar.
Yes, ma'am. The at that.
Mm.
at that.
Mm.
Is at that.
Mm.
At that.
Mm.
M சொல்றது M
At that.
Good.
That.
Mm.
At that.
Mm.
At that.
Very good. Sat, you finished?
Yeah, finish ma'am.
Yeah, very good, Taruneshwar. Good. Okay, next Ananya and words Ananya.
And can.
Super. Next.
Can.
Mm.
எப்படி படிக்கணும் ஏன்னு எப்படி படிக்கணும்
An.
And.
Mm.
Mm.
An
And
man.
man.
Okay. Next. Mm.
At
An.
and
சொல்லுங்க
pen.
Super. Next.
ஓகே இங்க இங்க இந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இது படிங்க ஃபோனிக் சவுண்ட் ஆஃப்
An.
And
Mm.
ran.
Ran. Okay. Good.
At
ஆக்ட்லப்பா இங்க என்ன இருக்கு
An. An என்னதுடா கண்ணா? An.
pen.
Mm.
ஆன்
And
ம்
Good. Very good. Thank you so much, Ma Ananya. Okay, next, children, I want you to give your English notebook to your parents. Let them write. Parents, I want you to write small letters A to Z assortedly in one page. They are going to circle vowels alone in that. Okay, so please be ready with that. By the time we'll finish with that, it's the anthem. Okay, join your hands and close your eyes, children. Join your hands and close your eyes. It's Varsha, kids the anthem, Varsha.
Anthem. You're at me. It's my night. You find me. You are the wind beneath my flight. Beautify me, my bottle desire. Today I flash down my might. I shall achieve you, my bottle in the side.
Yes, very good and thank you. Yes, good morning everyone. Very good morning. Yeah, first, if you're happy and you know it, are you all ready? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy, how will you smile, children? Like this, you will be if you're happy. How will you be happy? Just like Mahini smile. Okay. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, tap your thighs. If you're happy and you know it, tap your thighs. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, tap your thighs. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. Will you turn around? Yeah. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. Mahini, don't jump. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, jump up high. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! Hooray! Louder, I can't hear anyone. Yeah. Yes, very good. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! Yes. Yeah, good morning. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! Yes, very good. Next, we are going to do the animal sounds. Are you all ready for the animal sounds? Ready? Okay, the first animal what we are going to do is crow. How does a crow sound? Crow, how will it sound? What? Ka, ka, ka. Very good, Mahini. Ka, ka, ka. Okay, very good. Okay, how does a snake sound? Snake. Yes, good. Snake. What is the sound of snake? Okay. And then what is the sound of a duck? Duck, duck, duck. What is the sound? Quack, 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 quack. Very good. Okay. What is the sound of a dog? What is the sound of a dog? Wow, 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 wow. Okay. Very good. Okay. What is the sound of a cow? What is the sound of a cow? Yeah, very nice. Okay. And then what is the sound of a lion? Lion. Oh my god. Scary lion. Wow, very good. And then finally, what is the sound of a cat? What is the sound of a cat? What is the sound of a cat? Very small kitten is here. Very small kitten is also here. I don't know who's that. Yeah, very good. And thank you so much. Okay, now we'll move on to our attendance. If you want to go drink water and come back. Okay. Dashwan Velan. Dashwan. Absent. Hazel. Very good, Hazel. Jason. Ah, Jason is present, huh? Okay, very good. Keshav.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Keshav. Radhyarni. Radhyarni.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Radhyarni. Rudwin. Rudwin is absent today. Okay. Sarah.
Here, ma'am.
Good morning, Sarah. Ananya.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Ananya. Sukreep Gautam. Absent. Visha. Kavikartika. Mahini.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Mahini.
Yeah,
Mitra.
ma'am.
Very good, Mitra. Taruneshwar. 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 Varsha.
Here, ma'am.
Very good, Varsha. Vihan. Vihan. Vihan is also absent today. Okay, lot of absentees today due to rain.
Ma'am, Taruneshwar is present.
Yeah, I have marked him. Yes, Taruneshwar, you can tell me your attendance. Yes, thank you, Mataruneshwar. Okay, next we'll move on to our rhymes. What is the new rhyme I taught you, children? What is the new rhyme we learned recently? What is that rhyme? What is it?
Okay.
Ah, very good. Who knows that rhyme? That's it, huh? Okay, I'll sing for you. Okay, children? Rocket, rocket, going up in space. With the white moon, it will race to all the people saying goodbye. Goes the astronaut in his rocket. Hi! Yes, one more time. Rocket, rocket, going up in space. With the white moon, it will race to all the people saying goodbye. Goes the astronaut in his rocket. Hi! Yes, you all have to learn it. We'll send you the audio also. Okay, children? Okay, next we are going to move on to our activity. Are you all ready with your notebook? Yes? Now first come on, tell me what are the 5 vowels? Yes? Alphabets are divided into 2 categories. One is vowel and the other one is consonant. Vowels, we have 5 letters. What are those vowels? A. Uh, uh. Very good. A, E, I, O, U. Very good, Mahazel. A, E, I, O, U. Now take a crayon and circle all those vowels in your notebook. Your parents has written all those alphabet A to Z, right? Now circle the vowels alone. Only the 5 letters. Those are A, E, I, O, U. மகிழினிஸ் மாம் ஏற்கனவே நீங்க A to Z எழுதி வச்சிருந்தீங்கன்னா அதிலே சர்க்கிள் பண்ண சொல்லுங்க நோ ப்ராப்ளம்
Okay, ma'am. எனக்கு அப்படிதான் தெரியுது.
எஸ் கம் ஆன் A, next is E, next is I, O, U. 5 letters.
இதுக்கு தான் சொல்றேன் பென்னு பென்சில் ஒரு டப்பால வைமா ஏதோ ஒரு பாக்ஸ்ல வைமா கேட்க மாட்டேன்ற
No problem. Radhyani's mom, if she's having a pencil also, let her circle it with the pencil. Crayon இல்லைன்னா பரவாயில்ல, no problem. Finished? Who has finished first? Let me know.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Varsha. Super, Varsha. A, E, I, O, U. All these are vowels. Good. Very good, Hazel. Mitra, finish?
Please, ma'am.
Very good, Keshav. A, E, I, O, U. Finish. Yes, very good. Well done. Okay, now take worksheet number D92LT. Those who are finished, take worksheet number D92LT. Your sheet will be like this. Yes? D92LT. Here you have capital letters and small letters. Trace it and then match the capital letter to the small letter. Okay, trace பண்ணிட்டு capital letter small letter கூட match பண்ணணும். Okay? Write today's date. Today's date is 18/1/8/18 dash 11 dash 21/21. The day is Thursday. Month is November.
Ma'am, page number.
Page number, ma'am.
D92LT. It will be like this.
Okay.
Adhyani, keep your book down and write.
Okay, ma'am.
Varsha's mom, you have rough notebook, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I'll tell you the letters. Please copy it down. Capital letters A, B, C, D, E, and side by side assortedly you have to give these small letters also. Letter match it.
Okay, ma'am.
To the side, you please note down the worksheet number also. It's D92LT HA worksheet. That is homework worksheet. When you go back, you can finish all these worksheets.
What are the letters, ma'am?
A, B, C, D, E, F.
Okay.
Finish?
Finish.
Very good.
Finish, ma'am.
Yes, well done. Children, this page will be your homework page, children. Here, water transport, land transport, air transport is given. Here, pictures are also given. Ask your parents to cut and give it, and then you stick it accordingly. This will be your homework sheet. Note it down. This will be your homework sheet, today's homework sheet. Okay? And the number is D92CT. Yes, you yourself should stick it, children. Identify whether it is a land transport. Land transport means it will go on the road, okay? And then water transport goes on water, and then air transport on air, okay? So you have to find out which is land, air, and water and stick it accordingly. It will be your homework. Finish.
Ma'am, the homework sheet number page, please, ma'am.
D92CT.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Next worksheet is D93PH. Phonics worksheet. D93 PH. Are you all having the same sheets?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. We are going to circle the starting letter of the picture, children. Okay? Can you all do it on your own? First is rabbit. See my dog rip the rag. What will you circle? Circle it correctly. And the next picture is lion. Means what letter will you circle? First is rabbit.
Page number.
D93 PH phonics worksheet. Varsha, you have to write the phonic sound, Varsha. Whatever picture I am telling you, you have to analyze the phonic sound and write the letter. Okay. First is rabbit. What letter will you write? Worksheet number is D93 PH. Note it down, Varsha's mom. Second picture is lion. Means what letter? Third one, tiger. Tiger. Yeah, very good, Keshav. And the fourth one is snake. Sound. Finished, Sadyani, very good. Next is monkey. Mom and the dad makes many meals.
Mom.
Very good, ma. Next is cat. Clicking castanets. See, very good. Good. Next is horse. Horse. Horse.
Yes, Mom.
H, very good. Now the next worksheet, everyone has finished? Is there anyone still doing that worksheet?
Finish, Mom.
Very good, ma. Finish? Now I want you to take worksheet number D93 CT. D93 CT, write today's date. First, what are all the vehicles you can see there? What are the vehicles there? Come on. All are land transport only. What are those? Name them. Can anyone tell me what are those vehicles?
சொல்
Cement what?
ம்
Cement mixer. Okay, next.
Roller.
Road roller. Do you have a road?
இது என்ன he saying this
Red color. Okay, down. He's saying down. Okay.
இது சொல்லு இந்த ரெட் கலர் சொல்லு இது என்னது
Did enter.
தெரியலையா உனக்கு நெக்ஸ்ட்
Okay, you have a bulldozer there. Yes, cement mixer, bulldozer, and then
And doing the what? Doing it again.
okay. Second line you have a road roller.
ரோட் ரோலர்
Yes, you have a road roller, and then
இது என்னது
what do you have?
Yeah.
Then what do you have? Crane on the third one. Yes,
I have a doorbell above.
garbage truck. Can you able to see a garbage truck there? No.
he saying I don't have a garbage
Okay, fine. Okay, here. Okay, all of you took that worksheet, finished writing the date. Yes, now we are going to See what comes next here, children. Okay, alternatively the pictures are here. Cement mixer, bulldozer. Cement mixer, bulldozer. Again what will come? Cement mixer or the bulldozer. What will come there? Mati Mati வருது இல்லைங்களா? So இங்க வந்து bulldozer is there. So again what will come? The same bulldozer will not come. Why? Because already we have a bulldozer here. So what will you have? You will have a cement mixer. Like that, what comes next? You are going to circle. Let me see you are able to identify correctly. Come on. Do the second one. Second and the third one on your own. Alternatively, you have to circle, children. The same picture will not come. Okay? Finished. Who's that? Very good. Taruneshwar, finish சீக்கிரம் கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டீங்களா? Okay, if you have finished, you can take the max worksheet, that is D92 empty worksheet, number 63 and 64.
Big Mac.
Yes, very good. Those are finished. Take worksheet number D92 empty, number 63 and 64.
Ma'am, next page number.
D92 empty, number 63 and 64.
Ma'am, page number, ma'am.
D92 empty. First count it, children. How will you count? Count all those tens. See here, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63. 63, 63. And then 64, 64. The same way. Please, children, count and write.
Fish man.
Very good. 6-3, 63 and 6-4, 64. Finish?
Yes.
Yeah, very good.
Fish man.
Yes, good. Take your English notebook, children. You are going to write dictation now. So, finish. Take your English notebook. 2-letter words dictation you are going to write. Is ready? Okay. The first word is an. 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 A. First you have to write A. A means what letter? A. Next is N. Write number 1. Write number 1 and write an. A. N. A. A. And so my arm and then an. Yes? An. Finish? Next word is at. 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 A. T. A means what letter? T. T. T means what letter? At. Next is am. A. Am. A. Am. Finish? A. Together. Am. Next is in. E. 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 The mouse is my pet. E. In. Inky the mouse is my pet. E. And then here the aeroplane. In. Next is it. It. Eat. It. 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 Next is if. E. If. E. If. E. The mouse is my pet. E, and then my friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hold, the air came out. Finished? Next is on. And then here the aeroplane. On. Now it's dark, the lights go on. That letter, and then here the aeroplane. Finish? Next is off. 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 Finish. How many letters we have finished so far? How many words we have finished, children?
8, ma'am.
8. Okay. Next is. Is. E, and then snake is in the grass. Is. Is. Finish? Next is the. The. What is the spelling for the? T. T H E. The. T-H-E, the. Now get it corrected, children. Get it corrected from your parents, come on. Let me know how many marks did you get.
Ma'am, Jason is writing, ma'am, but only after the phonics sound, ma'am.
Sorry, I am not able to get it.
Ma'am, if we say at means he is not writing. If we say at means he is writing.
At. While reading also, reading practice only will make him write. At is at. Like
Okay,
that.
ma'am.
Continuously, because not in between we have got a lot of gap also. So it will be like that only. No problem. Let him learn in that way itself. No issue. But together he has to blend it and learn also. That is also important.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, fine. Jason has written everything correctly, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, fine. Good. Hazel. How did you write? Everything correct? Very good. Keshav,
Ma'am.
very good Keshav. And then Radyarni,
Ma'am, everything is correct, ma'am, but she don't spelling, ma'am. She don't know the
the
spelling.
you cannot write using phonics. As it is, few words are there that you cannot blend it easily with phonics. That's the way it is. You have to learn it that way only. Okay. So that's what I told her the spelling also. T
Yeah,
H
I'm
E
saying the only she write PH. All letters are two letters word, ma'am. So she is writing PH. I'm saying write E. She's not doing that.
Okay. Now you write Maradyani. The spelling, you know, right? THE, the.
Yeah.
Now you write, come on, E. And then Ananya, how did you write?
Ma'am, for Ananya, she got eight. She got two mistakes. So while writing in, ma'am. So when you said
In.
in, she wrote e, ma'am.
E. That's what phonic sound I have told you, the phonic rhyme also. Why, Ananya? E sound na E தான் எழுதணுமா? E எழுதக்கூடாதுடா கண்ணா. Eggs in the pan தானே E வரும். Only, no? I sound is E, right? E தான் எழுதிருக்கீங்களா? Okay, fine. It will take some time, no problem. Continuously, repeatedly tell her. She'll correct herself, no problem.
Yeah,
And then
thank you.
Varsha, yeah, welcome. Varsha,
Correct, ma'am.
everything correct. Very good. Mitra,
Thank you, ma'am.
everything. 10 out of 10, na? Okay, good. Taruneshwar, Taruneshwar,
Writing, ma'am.
sorry?
இன்னும் எழுதிட்டு தான் மேம் இருக்காங்க வேணுமனே தப்பா எழுதிட்டு இருக்காங்க
வேணும்னு எழுதுறாங்களா? இல்ல நீங்க ஆம்னு சொல்லும் போது
போட்டுட்டே இருக்காங்க
yeah, whenever you are ஃப்ரீயா இருக்கும் போது ஆட்னா என்ன ஸ்பெல்லிங், ஆம்னா என்ன ஸ்பெல்லிங் அப்படின்னு கேட்டுக்கிட்டே இருங்க ரிப்பீட்டடா.
ஓகே
அப்ப ஈஸியா எழுதும் போது அவங்களுக்கு ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா அது கிளிக் ஆகும். ஆட்னா ஏடி ஆட், ஏன் அந்த மாதிரி தெரியும். சரிங்களா? ஃப்ரீயா விளையாடிட்டு இருக்கும் போதே அப்படியே ரொட்டீனா சொல்லிக்கிட்டே இருந்தாங்கனாலே போதும். ஓகேங்களா? ஓகே ஃபைன். தென் சாரா, Sara. Sara is not there.
She is finding little difficulty, ma'am, to write. So we have to.
Yeah, I know that because she has now only finished all those letters, right?
Correct, correct.
Alphabet letters, so no problem. Slowly you can make her write, no problem.
Okay, okay.
Fine. Okay, thank you so much, children. All of you have got 10 marks, 8 marks, not below that. So I am very happy for that. Thank you so much. And big round of applause for you, children. Thank you. Very good. Okay, one more worksheet. Finally, we'll do it and we'll end the session. And the worksheet number is D94LD. D94LD. D94LT, this worksheet. Okay, you have two colors here. One is brown and the other one is gray. So what you are going to do is you are going to just match the colors to the pictures. Brown color objects separately you are going to match it, brown, and then gray color objects you are going to match. That's it. Come on, start matching. First finish with brown color horse, brown color donut, brown color pencil is there. And then for gray, you have gray color shirt, gray color elephant. D94LT.
okay.
Brown and grey. Brown color horse. Brown color donut. Brown color pencil. And then grey color shirt and grey color elephant. Finish. Very good, Jason. Hazel, finish. Mitra, finish. Yes, good. Kesha. Very good. Yeah, very good. Thank you so much, children. Thanks for your cooperation. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Yes, bye. Bye, everyone. Yes, bye. Bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Sarah's mom. Yeah.